So I've got the compressor more or less mocked up here. Compressors mocked up here where I would like them to be. Now I'm trying to figure out the advantage to running dual compressors into here. I'm trying to figure out if I would rather have the compressors this way or 180. Problem is running them this way, then I gotta run my wires, and I'm worried about my wires hitting these because these do get hot. If I flip this thing to 180, then I can run my wires straight up and bring both wires, both of these, around and into that. So, and where the least amount of moisture from this be kicking water up, so then I'll have to make some kind of a splash pan to keep the moisture off, or put different fittings in these and then run like half-inch line out and up and back over there somewhere to get some fresh, clean air. So that's what I'm trying to think about right now. So we got the compressors mounted and we're gonna see if it works. I've got the pressure switch wired to a set of relays on the battery box, running across and powering our two compressors. So if everything goes right, when I hit the key, our compressor should go off and accelerate. Nice. And we got lights too, so we've got it really close to being able to start it. But the big thing was finish up the wiring on the compressors, and then we're gonna finish the battery box, and that's about it for the day. So, well, now that we got two compressors, our valves wired, and our switches hooked up, I think that's good for now. Remember, you're out there and create something today, even if it sucks. Peace.